So once you got your model, we're going to open our object mode and change it to Vertex Paint. Okay, that's important. Remember, we do this at the end of the process because the modeling is done. Right, first thing that I want to do, we're going to make sure that we click on Paint Mask, and it's going to show you your geometry. And what we're going to be using is your UVs and the seams that you've done to be able to select everything with more ease. So it's important that you have done your seams. If not, it will not work properly. Okay, so if you go to second to last option, your select box, it's going to allow you to select things as you go along. So we're going to use L to be able to select. So I'm going to go on top of what I want to select. I'm going to press L. You can see right away it's going to select it. I'm going to do it again. So that's going to be part of my handle. Okay. I'm going to go back now from my select box to my brush. I'm going to choose a color. So you can choose it here, but I'm going to go here. I'm going to go green maybe. Okay. Then I'm going to go paint, and then I'm going to go set vertex color. And you can see the color has changed, right? I'm going to go back to my box. I'm going to click away so I can select something else. I'm going to press L. I'm going to make sure that I select everything that I want for this. Just all that part. And don't forget to select inside faces too, or else you will not be able to select it automatically. Remember, you just go and buy my UVs. Again, back to paint. I can choose a color here, why not? And then Control X will set it out. Okay, let's carry on. So I have another one. Go back to selection. L here and this one here, and then this should work now. Yep, Command X or Control X, and it's done it. Okay, let me do the handle behind it. Select box. I'm gonna go my mouse there, press L, and then again, paint, choose a color, and then Command X or Control X. Okay. Right, we got a handle here. This one should be easy enough. There's only a big piece of geometry there. Back to your select box, select what you want to paint, and you could paint this in separate ways, which will allow you to put different textures or mask it in different ways. Okay. Brush, I'm going to choose a bit of an orange, Command X, there we go. Lastly, the one here, my blade. I'm going to press L on one side, press L on the other side. I think that selected everything. Yep, go back to my paint, choose a random color, I don't know, this bluish, Command X or Control X, there we go. And I think I've done all of it. So I'm going to go back to my object mode, and then you will be ready to export it. And then when you import it into Substance Painter, you will just be able to bake it as a ID mask for your model.